Understanding, given the situation, enhance your English fluency. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very common but powerful phrase, given the situation. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your ability to express nuances in English. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of this expression. Given the situation is a phrase used to introduce a condition or context that affects the rest of the statement. It's similar to saying, considering the current circumstances. This phrase sets the stage for explaining actions, decisions, or feelings that are influenced by specific conditions at a given time. For example, if someone says, "Given the situation, we decided to cancel the event," it implies that there was a particular circumstance or set of circumstances that led to the decision to cancel the event. The exact nature of the situation is usually understood from the context or explained further in the conversation. Now, let's look at how you can incorporate, given the situation, into your own sentences to sound more fluent and nuanced in English. 1. Expressing understanding or empathy. I understand your frustration, given the situation. 2. Justifying a decision. Given the situation, it was the best choice we could make. 3. Explaining changes or adjustments. We had to change our plans, given the situation with the weather. 4. Reflecting on past actions. Given the situation at the time, I think we acted appropriately. Using this phrase correctly allows you to convey a deeper understanding of circumstances affecting behaviors or decisions, which is a sign of advanced language proficiency. While, given the situation, is quite versatile, there are other phrases with similar meanings that can be used to diversify your language. Here are a few. Considering the circumstances, taking into account the current scenario, in light of the situation, with regard to the circumstances. These variations can be used interchangeably with, given the situation, depending on the context and your personal style. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with how to use and understand the phrase, given the situation. We hope this video helps you communicate more effectively in English, especially in situations that require nuanced expressions. Remember, mastering these phrases will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your ability to navigate complex conversations with ease. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to practice using, given the situation, in your daily conversations. See you in the next video.